Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Black bathrooms have become a popular design choice for their dramatic flair and sophisticated look. Here's what defines a black bathroom design: color palette, dominant black. Black is the star of the show, creating a bold and luxurious feel. It can be used on walls, floors, vanities, fixtures, and even bathtubs, contrasting accents. While black is the main attraction, incorporating contrasting elements is crucial to prevent the space from feeling too overwhelming. White, a classic pairing. White accents like countertops, sinks, bathtubs, or trim add a touch of brightness and help balance the darkness. Metallics, gold, brass, or chrome hardware and fixtures add a touch of luxury and glamour against the black backdrop. Wood, warm wood tones like teak or walnut introduce a natural element and create a sense of warmth, especially in larger bathrooms. Lighting, layered lighting. Black bathrooms require careful lighting planning to avoid feeling cave-like. Layered lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting is key. Recessed lighting provides general illumination throughout the bathroom. Wall sconces, mounted on either side of the mirror, they provide task lighting for the vanity area. Pendant lights, a statement pendant light above the bathtub or shower can add a touch of drama and visual interest. Materials, black tiles, black ceramic, porcelain, or even glass tiles are popular choices for walls and floors. Opt for glossy finishes to help reflect light and add depth to the space. Matte black fixtures, matte black faucets, shower heads, towel racks, and hardware create a sleek and modern look. Stone countertops, natural stone countertops in light colors like white marble or gray granite add a touch of luxury and contrast beautifully with black vanities. Black bathroom styles, modern minimalist, clean lines, geometric shapes, and a focus on functionality define this style. Black vanities with floating shelves, minimalist fixtures, and large format black tiles create a sleek and sophisticated look. Art Deco, embrace the glamour of the Art Deco era with geometric patterns, metallic accents, and bold lighting choices. Black and white geometric floor tiles, a statement mirror with a sunray design, and chrome fixtures add a touch of vintage luxury. Spa-like retreat, create a calming and serene atmosphere with black paired with natural elements like wood and stone. Opt for matte black finishes, incorporate plants, and add warm lighting for a spa-inspired bathroom. Overall, black bathrooms offer a bold and dramatic design statement. By carefully considering contrasting elements, lighting, and materials, you can create a luxurious and sophisticated bathroom that is both functional and stylish. Why design a black bathroom? Black bathrooms have become a sought-after design trend, and for good reason. Here's why you might consider this bold and beautiful choice for your next bathroom remodel. Dramatic flair. Black creates a stunning and sophisticated look that's guaranteed to make a statement. It adds a touch of luxury and drama to any bathroom space. Surprisingly versatile, black can work in various bathroom styles, from modern minimalist to Art Deco glam or even a spa-like retreat. Hides imperfections. For those with busy lifestyles, black can be a lifesaver. It tends to hide water spots and minor dust better than lighter colors, making it easier to maintain a clean look. Timeless design. Black bathrooms aren't just a fad. Black is a classic color that won't go out of style anytime soon. Your bathroom will look chic and modern for years to come, can expand the look of the space. Black has a space-expanding effect, making even smaller bathrooms feel larger and more luxurious. Getting started with your black bathroom, ready to embrace the dark side and create a stunning black bathroom? Here are some steps to get you started. 1. Consider the overall look. Decide what kind of vibe you want to achieve. Black can work in modern, Art Deco, or even spa-like settings. Research different black bathroom styles to find what inspires you. 2. Don't go all black. While black is the star, incorporating contrasting elements is crucial. Too much black can be overwhelming. Balance is key. White accents, white countertops, sinks, bathtubs, or trim add a touch of brightness and prevent the space from feeling too dark. Metallic touches, gold, brass, or chrome hardware and fixtures add a touch of luxury and glamour against the black backdrop. Wood accents. Warm wood tones like teak or walnut introduce a natural element and create a sense of warmth, especially in larger bathrooms. 3. Plan your lighting. Black bathrooms require extra attention to lighting to avoid feeling cave-like. Layered lighting with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting is essential. Recessed lighting provides general illumination throughout the bathroom. Wall sconces, mounted on either side of the mirror, they provide task lighting for the vanity area. Pendant lights, a statement pendant light above the bathtub or shower can add a touch of drama and visual interest. 4. Choose the right materials. Black tiles, black ceramic, porcelain, or even glass tiles are popular choices for walls and floors. Opt for glossy finishes to help reflect light and add depth to the space. Matte black fixtures, matte black faucets, shower heads, towel racks, and hardware create a sleek and modern look. Stone countertops. Natural stone countertops in light colors like white marble or gray granite add a touch of luxury and contrast beautifully with black vanities. 5. Accessorize wisely. Don't forget the finishing touches. Keep accessories minimal and sleek, but add pops of color or texture with towels, rugs, or artwork. By carefully considering these factors, you can create a black bathroom that is both bold and beautiful, a luxurious and sophisticated space you'll love for years to come. Attention all design enthusiasts and lovers of the dramatic. Are you ready to ditch the ordinary and step into the world of black bathroom design? This video will unveil stunning black bathroom ideas that will redefine luxury and sophistication in your home. Black bathrooms are no longer just a trend, they're a design statement. Imagine a bathroom that exudes elegance and drama. A space that feels like a spa retreat right in your own home. But black bathrooms aren't just about aesthetics. This video will show you why black can be surprisingly versatile, easy to maintain, and even timeless. We'll explore a variety of black bathroom styles, from the clean lines of modern minimalism to the glamour of Art Deco and the tranquility of spa-inspired havens. Learn how to incorporate contrasting elements, use lighting strategically, and choose the perfect materials to create a black bathroom that's both functional and unbelievably beautiful. So, are you ready to embrace the dark side? Watch this video and discover how a black bathroom can transform your space from ordinary to extraordinary. Click here and get inspired to create a bathroom that will leave you breathless. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.